Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of haricot beans, also known as navy beans or white beans. These small legumes may be humble in appearance, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to the world of legumes, you're in for a treat. Join me as we explore the numerous ways haricot beans can positively impact your health and elevate your well-being. So, grab a comfy seat and let's jump right in. First and foremost, haricot beans are rich in dietary fiber, which provides a feeling of fullness and helps control appetite. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and support weight loss efforts. They are relatively low in calories, making them a nutritious and filling option for those looking to manage their weight. The high fiber content in haricot beans slows down the digestion process, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prolongs the feeling of fullness after a meal. This can lead to reduced snacking and overeating. Haricot beans are a good source of plant-based protein. Protein is important for maintaining muscle mass, which can help support a healthy metabolism. It also contributes to a feeling of fullness and satisfaction after a meal. Additionally, the fiber content in haricot beans can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose, which is important for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. What's more, haricot beans are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol. Diets low in saturated fat and cholesterol are important for maintaining heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. They are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Haricot beans contain phytosterols, which are plant compounds that have a similar structure to cholesterol. They compete with cholesterol for absorption in the digestive system, ultimately leading to lower levels of LDL cholesterol in the bloodstream. Haricot beans contain antioxidants, including various phytochemicals and flavonoids. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which is important for overall heart health. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to various heart conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of haricot beans, thanks to their nutrient content, can help reduce inflammation in the body. But wait, there is more. Haricot beans are a rich source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber provides bulk to stool, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. The soluble fiber absorbs water in the digestive tract, forming a gel-like substance that softens stool and helps it pass through the intestines more easily. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals prone to constipation. Haricot beans contain certain types of fiber that act as prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible compounds that provide food for beneficial gut bacteria. This promotes the growth of healthy gut microbiota, which play a crucial role in maintaining a balanced and healthy digestive system. Regular consumption of legumes like haricot beans has been associated with a reduced risk of certain digestive disorders, such as diverticulitis and colorectal cancer. The fiber and prebiotic content in haricot beans promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is associated with improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall digestive health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know haricot beans are a good source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones? Lastly, haricot beans are a good source of iron, a crucial mineral for preventing iron deficiency anemia. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. They contain folate, which is important for the production of red blood cells. Folate works together with vitamin B12 to support the maturation of red blood cells in the bone marrow. Haricot beans contain copper, a trace mineral that is involved in the absorption, storage, and release of iron from the liver. This helps ensure that iron is available for the production of red blood cells. Pairing haricot beans with vitamin C-rich foods, like citrus fruits or bell peppers, can enhance the absorption of non-heme iron from the digestive tract. Regular consumption of iron-rich foods like haricot beans, along with a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods, can help prevent iron deficiency anemia, a condition characterized by a lack of red blood cells due to insufficient iron intake. There you have it, folks. The extraordinary health benefits of haricot beans. By incorporating them into your meals, you're not only treating your taste buds to a delightful experience, but also nourishing your body with a wealth of essential nutrients. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.